So adventurers, ready to set sail on a comparison adventure? Hold on to your hats as we explore the amazing world of Irving Shipbuilding Halifax, where innovation and history collide in the coolest way possible. We'll dive into this historic shipbuilding hub, check out the ultra-futuristic Harry DeWolf-Class Arctic and Offshore patrol ship, and peek into the art escapades from the thrilling book Arctic Mission by Noel Birch and Jeremy Mitchell. Picture this. Irving Shipbuilding is like the ultimate superhero team for Canada's Navy, building ships left and right, including 6 super cool Arctic and offshore patrol ships and 15 Canadian surface combatants. They're like the genius inventors crafting the next gen ships for our awesome soldiers. But hey, it's not just about ships. It's like they're sprinkling magic all over Canada, creating jobs, sparking new ideas, and making towns grow bigger and better. Now let's dive into Arctic Mission. Think of it as strapping on your snow boots and heading off on a daring Arctic mission. Imagine being with the bold sailors exploring icy challenges in the frosty Arctic. It's not just a snow-covered land, it's an adventure-filled world, just like the high-raising quest aboard the Harry DeWolf-Class ship. This ship isn't your average boat, it's a real-life superhero guarding icy waters with its futuristic powers. Imagine this Arctic marvel docking at Irving Shipbuilding Halifax in the middle of all the hustle and bustle. It's like a super sleek, ice-crushing wonder adorned with futuristic gadgets straight out of a thrilling saga. Irving Shipbuilding Halifax is a place where history meets innovation with a big hug. And guess what? In Arctic Mission, they're off on a similar spine-tingling adventures overcoming icy challenges in the Arctic's untamed waters. This awesome comparison adventure, we'll discover a treasure trove of incredible insights, stories, whether they're in books or a part of our experiences, are packed with wisdom. They show us how diverse our world is, how amazing innovations and technologies can be, and make us want to explore everything. Comparing friction with reality reveals that every place, thing, or adventure has its own unique story and purpose. It's like diving into a sea of imagination and marveling at the wonders of our real world. This adventure is a ticket to a treasure hunt filled with lessons. A huge thank you to JD Irving for sharing this magical mini block model of the Harry DeWolf-Class Arctic and Offshore Patrol ship. It's something I'll treasure, and I'm really excited about the chance to visit this incredible shipbuilding facility someday. Join me on this epic adventure through bustling trade hubs, thrilling Arctic explorations, and the mind-blowing Harry DeWolf-Class Arctic and Offshore Patrol ship. They are all part of our planet's grand adventure. Don't forget to hop on my adventure channel for more mind-blowing comparisons and exciting explorations. Like, share, and subscribe to join the crew for extraordinary discoveries, smooth sailing adventures.